couple of days, but now I'm doing what I want to, with nobody telling me what I'm gonna do. And I'm feeling so free, with nobody but me. Now I can handle all my business. All my fellas cannot get a witness. And I'm feeling kinda lonely. On top of that, I'm kinda horny. So now I got to get back to her. And now I'm leaving quickly, before she come and try to get me. And I'm taking everything with me. Yeah, I ain't gonna die like I'm from. Yeah, she got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you I'm sprung. Yeah, she got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you, you do. You do. You do. You
I don't care what people say. I talk my shit, I get my pay. If you don't like it, better know that I don't mind. Why the fuck you think it's cool to waste my time? I say I don't care what people say. I talk my shit, I get my pay. If you don't like it, better know that I don't mind. Why the fuck you think it's cool to waste my time? Yeah, I want that money, need that shit like right now. Females just texting on the way. We going out, we about to start tonight. Nah, we acting dummy every day. Dummy every day. Living life like I'm a goddess, right? Yeah. Bitch, where my throne? Start shit, swear to have that light. Bitch, that's my throne. Swear this shit ain't even hard, I just have it. Took the money, then took off, I had to grab it. Yeah. I don't care what people say. I talk my shit, I get my pay. If you don't like it, better know that I don't mind. Why the fuck you think it's cool to waste my time? I say I don't care what people say. I talk my shit, I get my pay. If you don't like it, better know that I don't mind. Why the fuck you think it's cool to waste my time? Yeah. Got a squad with me, we